Today we're going to take a look at the moss stitch. You need to start with any chain length that has an even number. So I have a chain of 16 here. And you're going to start by doing a single crochet in the fourth chain from the hooks. 1, 2, 3, this is 4. After your single crochet, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to skip the next chain and crochet into the chain immediately after. Single crochet, chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet, and you do this all the way down your chain. Once you've reached the end of your chain, you should have a single crochet in your very last chain. Then you're going to chain 2, turn your pattern, and you're going to skip your very first single crochet and you're going to crochet into the chain 1 space from the row below. So it's going to be a single crochet, and then you're going to chain 1, skip your single crochet and single crochet into the chain 1 space. And you're going to do this the rest of the way down your row. When you reach the end of the row, you should still have this little gap here. So you're always, in every single row, going to do single crochet to the left of your last single crochet and to the right of your chains. And if you continue to do the moss stitch, you wind up with a very beautiful pattern that looks like this.